Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for an Amazon warehouse job in the UK. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to amazon.jobs. This is Amazon's official website. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the Amazon Jobs website, you can search for jobs worldwide. Simply scroll down, and here you will find Warehouse and Hourly Jobs. Click on View Open Jobs to see the list of Amazon warehouses. Scroll down and click on View United Kingdom Jobs. Then click on Join Amazon Now. Now, enter the postal code of the area where you want to find the job. Then click on the Next button. You will now see all the available jobs in your area. Simply select your desired job to check the details. Here, you will find all the job details, so make sure to read them carefully. Finally, to apply for the job, click on the Apply button. Now, fill in your details to complete the application process. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for an Amazon warehouse job in the UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.